DeWalt Company history. DeWalt, a name synonymous with reliability and innovation in the world of power tools, has a rich history dating back nearly a century. From its humble beginnings to its current global dominance, the story of DeWalt is one of unwavering commitment to excellence and continuous innovation. The early days of DeWalt, founding and background. The DeWalt story begins in 1923 when Raymond E. DeWalt, the brainchild behind the brand, founded the company. Raymond was a man with a vision to create robust, dependable woodworking machinery. His early innovations laid the foundation for what would become a powerhouse in the power tool industry. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. Early innovations. Raymond E. DeWalt's inventions were groundbreaking. His first significant contribution was the creation of the radial arm saw, a tool that revolutionized woodworking. This invention not only simplified woodworking tasks, but also significantly improved the precision and efficiency of the craft. It wasn't long before woodworkers across the nation recognized the name DeWalt as a symbol of quality and innovation. DeWalt's rise to prominence, expansion, and product range. As the years went by, DeWalt expanded its product range beyond woodworking tools. The brand diversified into various segments of power tools, catering to a broader audience. This expansion included drills, saws, and other tools that were as reliable and innovative as their woodworking counterparts. Market success and recognition. DeWalt's dedication to quality and performance led to its steady growth and recognition in the market. Tradespeople and professionals in various industries soon realized that when they chose DeWalt, they were choosing tools that could withstand the rigors of the job. This reputation catapulted the brand into the limelight, making it a trusted name worldwide. Challenges faced by DeWalt: competition and market changes. However, the road to success was not without its challenges. The power tool industry became increasingly competitive, with new players entering the market regularly. DeWalt had to adapt and innovate continually to maintain its position. Maintaining innovation. Staying innovative in a rapidly evolving industry posed another challenge. DeWalt had to continuously invest in research and development to introduce new technologies and features that would meet the changing needs of its customers. DeWalt's impact on the industry. The professional's choice. DeWalt tools became the preferred choice for professionals across the board. From construction sites to workshops, the reliability and performance of DeWalt tools made them indispensable. Notable projects and construction sites often featured the distinctive yellow and black tools. Global reach and market share. DeWalt's influence extended far beyond its American roots. The brand achieved a global presence and a significant market share in various countries and industries. Its tools were trusted by professionals and die enthusiasts alike, shaping the way work was done worldwide. Technological advancements. Today, DeWalt is not only committed to producing high-quality tools, but also to sustainable practices. The brand is embracing eco-friendly manufacturing methods and materials, aligning itself with the growing importance of environmental responsibility. Furthermore, DeWalt is continually working on technological advancements, ensuring that its tools remain at the forefront of innovation. In conclusion, the history of DeWalt is a testament to the enduring legacy of quality, innovation, and unwavering commitment to excellence. As it continues to evolve and adapt to the changing needs of industries and professionals, one thing remains certain: DeWalt will continue to be a name synonymous with trust and performance in the world of power tools. In essence, the history of DeWalt is a testament to the enduring legacy of a brand that has shaped industries, empowered professionals, and made a lasting impact on the world of power tools. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.